Hello everyone, here is another video of cybercrime rated can a hacking be done with Python. In this video, I will tell you basic thing about hacking in Python. That you can also use Python for hacking. So let's get started. We can also use our Python for hacking because Python is basically is a general purpose, simple and easiest language, and its code is also easy to write for your human. So Python is basically used by ethical hacker to generate password cracking, sniffing, brute force script, and information gathering tools. This is the main features of your Python. Python allow ethical hackers to examine a variable and a simple function because its language is more easy than language. Python is the easiest language among your all these languages like your Java, C++. Python is easiest because its code is simple and easy and you can also understand in a simple format. It helps and provide to ethical hacker a simple language with clear and simple code style and syntax. Code is similar as your English language and its code is a one line of code. It allows to hackers to examine a variable and simple function because it provides a simple library and module function for hacker to examine anything about your hacking. The main things you can do with the help of your Python: password cracking, sniffing, brute force script, and information gathering tools. These all tools provided by Python for your hacking. Discuss the first is password cracking. What is password cracking? Python is a popular programming language for password cracking due to its simplicity and easy to use. You can easily crack your password and you can also use Python for your hacking other than programming language because of its simplicity and its code. There are several libraries available in Python that can be used for your password cracking, just like hashlib. There are several libraries available in Python that can be used for password cracking. For example, hashlib. This is a module. You can also install your module for cracking your password. Another example of password cracking in Python is brute force attack. Brute force is a technique. It is used to crack your password by guessing number of possibility and number of combination of your character will be matched until your correct password is found. In Python, you can write a brute force script to crack a password using various libraries, tools like hashlib and turtles. You can also install these modules in your Python. Next is sniffing. What is sniffing? Sniffing means it is simply a process that monitor and capture all data packet passing through your given network. Means how many times, whenever and wherever your data means your information will be passed through. So a sniffer will be point and sniffer will be capture your all information and will be consider your data packets through the network that what information and what confidential information you are passing. Sniffer are used network system administrator to monitor and troubleshoot network traffic. Attacker use sniffer to capture data packet containing your sensitive information like your password and account information. Sniffer can also be your hardware or software installed in your system. Module is used for your hacking and you can also install and you can also use this module for your hacking.